Hello! Today in the lesson we are going to solve another collaboration problem. The condition is as follows. One worker does a job in 5 hours. And two workers, if they work together, do the work. If they work together in 2 hours. We need to calculate how many hours it will take to complete. Same work for the second worker if he works alone. Let's fill in this table. Work. 1 unit for the first worker, for the second worker, and 2 workers who work together. In order to calculate the productivity of the second worker, we need to calculate the productivity of the 2 workers who work together, the first and the second. This we can do. If we divide the work by the number of hours, we get productivity. Of the first and second worker. The productivity of the first and second worker is 1 divided by 2. The productivity of the first worker is 1 divided by 5. Let's fill in the table. The productivity of the first worker is 1 divided by 5, and the productivity of the 2 workers is 1 divided by 2. Let's remember how we solved the problems. We, the productivity of the first worker, added the productivity of the second worker, and we got the productivity of 2 workers who work together. If the productivity of the first worker is there, the productivity of 2 workers is there, then we can find the productivity of the second worker. The productivity of the first one is 1/5, and the productivity of the 2 workers is 1 second. Then the productivity of the second worker is 1 second minus 1/5. Let's bring it to the common denominator. The common denominator is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. In the numerator, 5 minus 2 equals 3/10. 3/10. So, the productivity of the second worker is 3/10. Let's write down 3/10. And in order to find the time for which the second worker does the work, we need to divide the work by the productivity. Let's write it down. The second worker's time is the work, divided by the productivity of the second worker. Work equals 1. Productivity is 3/10. 1 divided by 3/10. 1 times 10/3. The result is 10/3. Let's convert that to a mixed number. 3.1/3 of an hour. But let's write 3 whole 1/3 hours in hours and minutes. 3.1/3 of an hour is 3 hours and 20 minutes. Today we solved a problem in which we had to find time. We used basic formulas to find productivity, time, and work. In the next lesson, we will solve more problems about working together. And for today, our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye, see you again.